Sometimes you don't need to go that far. You can have an adventure in your back garden. Now I'm going to add some flavour, a little bit of this special curry powder, a bit of garam masala, and I'm adding in this chicken stock. I'm also going to add a tin of tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. I've just heated these on the stove. It's a bit too hot, I'm going to take it off to rest for a minute. Doing for a good hour. It's definitely ready. I'm going to be serving it with some nice homemade brown bread which I made in the bread machine. So time to serve the food. Perfectly cooked. You can see it's cooked through. Vegetables are soft. Camping, cooking activities make you feel so hungry, so I'm sorry about that. Maybe you can try this some other time. feast. Bushcraft in the garden. Turned out better than I expected. First time using the solo stove, first time using a Dutch oven. The solar stove, you can either have a bonfire in your garden if you use the right wood, and I could cook on the Dutch oven. So that's amazing, isn't it? So I can do some bushcraft cooking. Let me know if you'd like more Dutch oven cooking. I might do some more on the solar stove, learn how to do it a bit better, but very happy with the result tonight. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.